Steel cap work boots versus a composite toe work boot, and why did we decide on a composite toe in our Ergonomics Elements safety boots? It's a common question we're asked, and the short answer to that is we believe that the composite toe is the best all-round performer for your feet. And there's a number of things that helped us to come to this, and the first one of those elements is that when we tested the steel toe versus the composite toe, there was very little difference between the performance to the Australian standards and the New Zealand standards for the steel toe versus the composite toe. So we do some testing on these, and it's a crush test and an impact test, and the performance for the protective function of the toe was negligible between the two. So all things being considered, they both protect your feet identically. The composite toe has a few benefits over the steel toe, however. So the very first one is that it's lighter. So your foot will be carrying less weight across the work site, and you won't be lifting as many with the repetitions of walking over the whole day. Your legs will be less fatigued, and you'll feel like your feet are lighter during the end of the day. The next thing that we looked at is the thermal conductivity of the composite toe. So the thermal conductivity of the composite toe was less than the steel. So what this means is that the composite toe is a better insulator than the steel. So if you're working outside and you're in the sun, and the heat will pass through from the outside to the inside less with the composite toe than the steel. So the steel will conduct more heat through the toe into your shoe, and so your feet will get hotter. So that's another clear win for the composite toe, your feet will stay cooler and be more comfortable during the day. And they'll also do this if it's very, very cold outside. The heat will escape through the steel more readily in the steel toe boot than the composite toe. So your feet will be warmer in the composite toe boot in cold environments and cooler in hot environments. And the last thing, and this is a really big one, but it seems quite simple, is that the composite toe is not steel. So if you're going through the airport, if you're a fly out worker, well, like lots of our guys and girls are, you don't have to take your boots off when you go through the airport, because they're airport friendly, and you'll be able to go through the metal detectors without taking your boots off. So it just makes going through air travel, if you're traveling a lot for work, just makes it a little bit more convenient to travel. And this is a big thing, as we know it's a pain to get your boots on and off as you're going through the airport. So they're the main things that helped us to decide why we used a composite toe in our Ergonomics Elements boots. They're basically the same level of protection. They'll keep your foot cooler and warmer depending on whether you're working in hot or cold environments. They're lighter and they're airport friendly, so it's more convenient to travel with our boots on than other boots. If you have any questions about our boots, please comment, like and subscribe, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing your feedback on our boots. Thanks a lot. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It's very simple to do, and it really does help us out. If you'd like more information on the topics discussed, please check out the links in the description, and this will take you to our website where we can discuss these in more detail. If there's a specific question that you have or you'd like answered, please comment in the comments section, and we'll do our best to make a video to address this. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.